Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video. I'm Dr. Frahat Ali and you are watching Dr. Square. In this particular video, we will learn that how we can convert the text data into numeric values. Sometimes when you download the data from Google Forms or Microsoft Forms, you will find out that the data is not in a numeric or number shape. They will provide you male, female option rather than they will provide you one or two options that you have provided to your respondent. Similarly, you will find out that the, the file is giving you strongly agree, disagree, or neutral option rather than they will provide you 1, 2, 3, 4 option that you have provided to your respondents. So how we can resolve this issue? There is a simple solution for you in SPSS. So let's dive into this. As you can see on the screen, here I have a data file, and here you can see sex in a string form. Similarly, self-esteem 1, 2, 3 is also in a string form. When you download the data from Google Forms and you convert that data into the Excel and import that data into SPSS data file, you will notice that this kind of variable types is existing on in your data. So how you can resolve this issue? I'm going to data view, and here you can also see that text is giving me the option of M or F, M for male and F for female. And similarly, here you can see self-esteem, disagree, strongly agree, disagree options. So how we can convert these values, or you can say these are the data that is provided in the text form, how we can convert this text data into the values, numeric values. So let's go to the transform option. Here you can see automatic recode option, and I'm going to select sex of the patient as variable here and giving it a new name, sex new, and click on the add new name option. And if there is some missing values in your data set, you can select the treat blank string values as missing values. So I'm not going to select this one because there is no missing value in my data set, and then click on the OK button. You will see the software is giving me the detail that F has been converted into 1 and M is converted into 2. And how we can check this more? I'm going to variable view option. Here I can see a new variable has been created, and here F is for female and its value is 1 and male is value 2. And we can also can see this thing in here, and I'm going to select this option. So as you can see, sex now female data has been converted, male data converted into 2, and female data has been assigned a value 1. And how we can convert these strongly agree disagree values? The procedure is same. I'm going to transform option, here automatic recode, and I'm going to select self-esteem 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to select first one, self 1, add new name, then self 2, then self 3. So I'm going to click on the OK button, and here they have changed the word or text data into the numeric values. I'm going to recheck this thing. Okay, so here it, the data has been converted into the numeric values. So this is the procedure to convert your text data into numeric values. If you further want to change 2 into some other values, like if you want to change the disagree into 4 or 5 number, you can use the recode into different variable option, and you can change the, like here if agree is mentioned as here 1, you can convert this to 4 or 5 number. You can use transform recode into different variable option. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.